Hello, everyone. Welcome to Eating the Alphabet. I am Miss Shanika from Albert Einstein Medical Center, your fun, eat right Philly health educator. I am very excited to be here today. Today, we are focusing on the letter B. B is for Brussels sprout. Look closely at the picture. What do you see? Think about their color, their shape, and size. Do you have any questions about Brussels sprouts? Well, let's see if we can answer all of your questions. Does anyone know what type of food Brussels sprouts are? Brussels sprouts are a vegetable. This is what they look like when they first start to grow in the garden or on the farm. They belong in the vegetable group of my plate. When we eat vegetables, we gain energy to do all of our favorite things. Also, we're filled with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and sometimes even protein. This means vegetables keep us healthy and strong.
Woohoo!
Brussels sprouts are in the same family as broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. This might be why they look and taste so much alike. These vegetables are called cruciferous. Cruciferous. Cruciferous! Can you say cruciferous? Good job!
Excellent!
Cruciferous means they're super good for us. Brussels sprouts have lots of different nutrients that help our body. They have vitamin K that helps our blood to clot, vitamin C that helps prevent colds and help heal cuts, and they have vitamin A that's good for our eyes, skin, and help us grow. How do you think Brussels sprouts got their name? Brussels sprouts were first grown in the town of Brussels in Belgium. That's where they get their name. When we write the name Brussels sprouts, we always capitalize the B in Brussels since it's named after a city. If you look at the map, you can see where Brussels, Belgium is and where Philadelphia is. Does the picture of the city of Brussels look like Philadelphia? Brussels sprouts can either be green or purple. Most people only know about the green ones, but they can also be purple. Brussels sprouts grow in the fall when the temperature is cooler. They don't like it too hot, so they grow in places that have weather similar to the weather we have here. Do you think Brussels sprouts look like any other vegetable you know? They look like mini cabbages. They taste like cabbage too. They look alike, but what's something that's different between Brussels sprouts and cabbage? Let's see. The size is different. The cabbage is much bigger than the Brussels sprout. How about how they grow? Do you think they grow the same? No. Cabbage grows on the ground and with big leaves around it. And Brussels sprouts grow on stalks with big leaves at the top. Brussels sprouts grow on thick stalks on top of the ground. There are many sprouts on one stalk. We eat the sprouts, but we do not eat the stalk or the leaves. Usually, when you buy them in the store, They've been taken off the stalk. But if you go to a farm or grow them in your garden, you'd have to take the sprouts off the stalk before you cook or eat them. Now it's time to cook or eat our Brussels sprouts. What do we need to do first? We need to wash them. We always need to wash our fruits and vegetables before we cook or eat them. We also need to wash our hands before cooking or eating. You can enjoy Brussels sprouts cooked or raw, but usually people eat them cooked. You can buy them fresh or frozen at the store. There are many different ways you can cook Brussels sprouts. You can boil them in water, roast them in the oven, or saute them on the stove. Wow, that was a lot of information. Let's see what we remember about Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are a vegetable. They go in the vegetable group in my plate. They look and taste like mini cabbages. They are in the same family as broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. They grow on a thick stalk on top of the ground. There are many sprouts on one stalk. We eat the sprouts, but not the stalk or leaves. Brussels sprouts help us to grow and help us to not get sick. They're good for our heart and stomach, and they have vitamin C, which helps prevent colds and help heal cuts.
Yay!
You can eat Brussels sprouts raw or cooked, and always remember to wash your fruits and vegetables and your hands before cooking or eating. Here's your extra credit question. Which is the correct way to spell Brussels sprouts? Is it A with a capital B in Brussels and a capital S in sprout? Or B with a capital B in Brussels and a small s in sprout? Or C with a small b in Brussels and a small s in sprout? If you said B, you're correct. It's a capital B because it's named after the place Brussels, the capital of Belgium, and it's a small s for sprout because that's not a proper noun. Fantastic!
Good job.
Amazing job, everyone! You did great today! I hope you learned a ton about Brussels sprouts. I had so much fun teaching you. Can you find the Brussels sprouts in the picture? I found 9. See you next time!